Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral from 0 to 2p sine of sin x minus x dx. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We have sine of a plus or minus b equal to sine A cosine B minus cosine A sine B. So we will apply this formula in this situation. In here we will get about sine of sine S cosine S minus cosine sine S sine S. So we can separate them into two integrals. For the first one, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to sin x, du equals to cosine x dx. Now we need to change the value of number 0 and number 2p. X equal to number 0, so u equal to number 0. If x equal to 2p, so u equals to the number 0. So in here we don't need to calculate this integration because the bottom and the top, they have the same value, that is the number 0. So we can say this should be equal to number 0. The second one, we can use about integration by substitution. So in here we put about x equal to b minus u. So we got about dx equal to negative du. So if x equal to number 0, so u should be equal to p. If x equal to 2p, so u should be equal to negative p. So we need to change this one. This one we change for b. This one we change to negative p. S we change to b minus u. Similar this one. Dx we change to negative du. So we need to consider about this one. We have the same formula in here. So we put this one equals to sine p multiplied with cosine u minus cosine p multiplied with sine u. And then we got about sine u in here. Next, if we consider about f of negative u, we put in here this one with the negative u and negative u. So you will go about this one, negative u and negative in here, they will cancel together. Sine negative u, you will got about negative sine u, because cosine in here they will change to the positive, and now we got about like this, and that should be equal to f u in the negative. And in this situation we can say that's about odd function, because that's about odd function. We have p and negative p in here, and we can say this one equal to number 0. After we calculate everything, we can say that this one equal to number 0. That's the end. Thank you for watching.